everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you an everyday curled hairstyle that I personally always do. I've gotten a lot of questions over it over the past couple years, so I finally sat down and filmed it for you guys. So if you like this hairstyle and you want to do it yourself, please keep watching. I just washed my hair and did my makeup, and now it's like kind of like damp-ish. Yeah, dampish. So I'm gonna go in with the Kevin Murphy Young Again. It's like a hair oil. It's great for your hair. So all I do is put this through my ends. You definitely don't need any at the top or the root of your hair because then it will get too greasy. I always put a roller in my hair because I have bangs, so it creates like a nice little flip when it's all done. So now I'm gonna go in and blow dry it off camera and I'll be right back. Now that our hair is all dry, we are going to start curling it. So I just use this wand. I think it's a 1-inch wand. That's probably a better view. I just got it from Winners like literally forever ago. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks. But you can use just like whatever wand or curling iron you have, and let's get started. I always section my hair in 2 parts, and I personally just like to do it all in one section. Like you could section it off, but I don't want my curls to be that crazy. So I start from the back, grab a piece about this big, and then I put my wand down and I curl backwards. So the curls go this way. So you're just gonna wrap it around the barrel like this. And I leave it on for about like 10 seconds. And then you'll get something like that. And then just push that back and go for the next piece. And like so. So I'm just gonna speed this up until I get to the front of my hair. Because you don't wanna watch me curl my hair that long. But then I'll show you how I do the front. Okay, so now I'll just show you how I do these front pieces. So this is just big enough to split into 2, okay? So this you don't want to curl as high, so I would start about just below your ear. And hold that. And we can always fix these pieces as well if they don't curl the way you want them to. So something like that, push that back. And then again, I would just go below your ear. And you'll get something like that. And then we are going to go and add in the bangs afterwards, just because I like to see the finished look before I touch the bangs. So now we're gonna start the other side, and I'll just show you how to curl this side, and then I'll speed you guys up again. Okay, so again, you're just gonna grab about the same width, and you're gonna curl all these pieces back like we did last time. So you're gonna put the barrel up like this, and make sure it's on the back side of your hair because that's gonna curl it backwards, sorry. And then we curl. Whoop. Like that. let go. And I always feel like I have to curl these back pieces back like this a bit, but then there you go. And I will speed you guys up now. Okay, and now we're back to the front. So again, we are just gonna split this front piece in half. So it'll look something like that. And start below your ear. Go, and it'll look something like that. And then just grab that front piece as well and below your ear. And there we go. So we're gonna pull all your hair up to the front, and even if you don't have bangs, I recommend curling the front pieces just into that first strand we have here, because when I didn't have bangs, I always found that it made it the most natural. But if you do have some bangs as well, I highly recommend just curling them into the hair. So my bang is right here. You're just gonna grab just a bit of the front piece, it doesn't have to be all of it. And then just go from the end of the bang and curl that in. So this will be a little bit higher, but it's gonna look super natural. So, there. See? That looks so much better. So then we grab this side, grab that small front piece, start at the end, curl that slightly in, like you can see it's not a lot. Curl out, and there you go. Okay, so now before you do anything, just let it set for 5 minutes so it can cool down, because that's how your curls are gonna last a lot longer. I made the mistake of brushing them out way too early before and it was still hot and they loosened. So during this time, I like grab a snack or go to the bathroom or something, but like give it a good solid 5 minutes, and then we'll be back to finish up the hair with some product. And we are back. So after the 5 minutes, this is where the fun starts. Your hair is gonna transform after this. So I'm going to go in first with the Dry Bar Chaser. It's just a nice, sorry if you can see that, it's a nice finishing cream. So all you need is like 1 pump. And then you're just gonna put this only in the ends of your hair. Just smooths everything out, and then whatever you have left on remaining, I just like smooth on top to get those flyaways. So now we are going to go in with hairspray, and this is the only one I use. It's the L'Oreal Elnett hairspray. It literally does not leave your hair crunchy at all. So all you're gonna do is like, I just spray this like everywhere. Okay, and then you're gonna comb that through your hair. Okay. And then you're going to grab a wide tooth comb and just comb it all out. If you use a regular brush right away too quick, it will make your hair look more wavy than curly, I find. But if that's the vibe that you want, then by all means, go right ahead, sweetie. Okay, and then I just always just take this and go like that because it gives my hair more volume. And then you'll have something like this. I love doing this because it literally transforms your hair. Okay, and then I go in with dry shampoo because it just gives it the right amount of volume. Like obviously my hair is not greasy because I just washed it, but I love that it just gives it more texture to the top, and you'll see the amount of volume that you get as well. So I use the Batiste Heavenly Volume Dry Shampoo. I have two of these that I use. One's just like a normal dry shampoo for the days that like, maybe it's like second or third day hair where I don't need as much volume. But on the first day of fresh hair, I love to go in with more volume. So you're just gonna grab your hair and only put it towards the back of your hair. And then you're just gonna go like this. And then the other side. Go like that. And then just a little bit at the back. Okay, so that is the finished look. This is what you will get afterwards. I would give it maybe like half an hour before you brush it out, because again, it's like still very fresh, and if you brush it out too early, it will be more flatter. But I love doing this to my hair. I honestly just always curl my hair because I find that it lasts like three days without having a wash, but if I straighten it, it gets like just really dull and flat. So I just love this because it's really low maintenance and I'm putting less heat on my hair. This honestly only takes me 10 minutes to do. It's like super fast. So it's like honestly just as quick as blow drying it or straightening it. So I love how this turned out. I'm obsessed with it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, I hope you try this out. Let me know how it works for you, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.